I do not see how a man should guide himself according to the time and the season that runs. For one has neither thanks nor praise for serving. I do not say that one should therefore give up, nor is a man so little offended, if he does it thoughtlessly, that he is not ill-wished and blamed. This seems to me a truly unequal game, for at least the good should be thanked as much as the ill is blamed on those who do it.
But it is time, since right does not reign, to change heart and to change color,
And for the loyal to seem deceivers
and the most faithful players of the strap.
But how can a loyal man be a feigner? It is a hard thing, yet his wisdom appears when desire and will do not overpower him.
For the wise man, when he sees he is deceived, if he can turn the deceit back with deceit, can show no better his great wisdom.
Was betrayed, so it is not fitting to believe the semblance or smile or greeting of a traitor. For he laughs before you and shows you honor, and then behind your back he stabs his friend and wars against him.
There can be no more mortal failing, for of Judas who hanged himself in the winds, one knows for certain that he was not forgiven. But I at least make a better covenant with them. Let the false ones who have betrayed me hang themselves, and I will forgive my vexation at their own cost. If I am betrayed, may God grant me time to see that I may play such a game with them. And if anyone held me a traitor for this, he would have little wisdom and too much envy. For by right, it is not at all betrayal to betray a traitor. For I say it is altogether as wicked to betray one's friend as it is worth and goodness to betray one's traitor. So he does not fail in anything in my view who has the desire to betray his traitor. I do not say, once the betrayed man has made peace with his traitor and holds him in his good love, that he should then seek his dishonor. For right does not wish it, nor reason grant it. For once one has made a gracious pardon, but do not understand by force what overcomes will. Just so it is fitting that the failing be forgotten as if it had never been born. And whoever goes afterwards seeking ill against the traitor draws the blame to himself and spreads it over himself. I do not make an end of it, nor do I make a pardon, so I cannot be blamed. But if a time shall come, I will have the desire to betray the false traitors who have betrayed me.